all, welcome to the Healthy Sizzle with me Sindhuja Sriram. Today I would be sharing a healthy homemade tomato ketchup with no artificial preservatives and vinegar. Free from refined sugar, it has a vibrant red tone with a smooth consistency and a natural glaze. It's juicy, sweet, spicy and tangy. So why wait? Let's dig in. 8 to 10 medium-sized organic country tomatoes, roughly chopped. I have not used the hybrid ones since they are unhealthy. We can bring out that store-bought taste and look with our locally grown tomatoes also. Now, in a pan, add these tomatoes, half a beetroot to get that punch of color, half an onion roughly chopped, and 4 red chilies that can be adjusted according to your taste, 4 cloves of garlic, and a spoon of country sugar. Mix them all. Add a little water and half a spoon of salt and mix well. The water is added just for the tomatoes to get cooked without getting stuck at the bottom. The tomatoes themselves would leave enough water, so just see to it that you add only up to 4 tablespoons. Mix well, cover and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes in low to medium flame. Just mix it in between after 10 minutes. Now, after 25 minutes, we can see that the skin of the tomatoes have come out. That implies to be a clear indication of tomatoes being cooked well. Now switch off the flame and transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down completely. Once cooled, squeeze in half a lemon for that tick of tanginess and grind it to a fine puree without adding any water. The puree has to be finely ground to get a smooth consistency, as we are not going to filter it out because of course we are making a healthier version. Once ground, add it to the same pan and stir it for about a minute or two. The ketchup would start thickening. This is a perfect consistency that we are looking for. At this point, add in 3 spoonsful of country sugar. Mix well. You may adjust the sweetness as per your taste at this point. The puree has thickened and now let's test the consistency. For that, drop the puree on a plate and slide the plate down. If the puree is not runny and holds its place on the plate, that's going to be the perfect consistency. Switch off the flame, transfer it to a bowl and cool down completely. A healthy tomato ketchup is ready. Just look at that texture. Isn't that perfect? Free from preservatives, without vinegar and no refined sugar. You can store this in a dry glass jar in the refrigerator for about a week. Enjoy this easy, healthy and tasty tomato ketchup at home without any guilt. Simple, natural ingredients create classic recipes. Yes, it has always been fruitful and flavorful. I'm anxious to know your suggestions and comments so as to bring in much more nutritious platters for a healthy you. Be sure to tag me on Instagram when you cook this delicious recipe so as to see those wonderful creations. Do like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for further notifications. That's it for today. Sindhuja Sriram on Healthy Sizzle signing off. See you all. Bye.